SpongeBob, you've been sighing for 10 minutes. Spit it out.
My wife suggested we see a couples therapist for our intimacy issues.
Therapist? It's not a communication problem, is it?
No, Peter. It's a me problem. I'm like a car that won't start. She turns the key and nothing happens.
That's a circulation issue, not a therapy issue.
How do you know that?
Because I was the same broken down car. Then I found this video where a doctor explains exactly why it happens.
And what? You're fixed now?
Fixed? SpongeBob, my wife canceled our Netflix subscription. Said we don't need it anymore.
You're joking!
I'm serious. She said I'm all the entertainment she needs.
Okay, where's this video? I need to see this.
Check my bio. Watch the full breakdown. The doctor explains the whole method.
Watching it right now. If this saves my marriage, I owe you.